Alright y'all, look, checking in for another video. I don't know how the lighting look or whatever, but it's alright. Y'all see I'm stationary, so they about to be a talking video about the title. And I want to kind of go over some stuff and explain what's going on with this channel and all that. So, and why I do what I do. And talk about some of the comments that I get sporadically here and there and all that. Especially pertaining to the talking. And drop some knowledge on y'all. So, first thing is, yeah, the video, it's a lot of talking in the video called, I like to explain stuff. Cause if you always running your mouth, then how you gonna learn anything? So I like to explain stuff in my video. You know, I remember a comment saying, and I know y'all be saying don't address these comments. Listen, man, I've been doing this stuff for 12 years. I've been doing YouTube. No, let me give y'all the right numbers. Let me give y'all the right numbers. It's 2020, 11 years. I've been doing it 11 years consistently. I done seen every comment. I've been called the N-word. I done seen my people call the N-word. I've been seeing people call folks other stuff, you know what I'm saying? I done seen it all, man. People come on, try to troll. Listen, y'all, if you don't know me, a lot of y'all just now subscribing. I ain't new to this, man. I'm an OG when it comes to car game stuff. And even big rim culture and all that. Been doing this stuff a long time. This stuff don't bother me. I just entertain people sometimes. It helps the engagement on my videos and all of that. So people be on the internet thinking they making you mad. Not me. I mean, it don't bother me. I get it. I go on about my day. It's just the internet. And this is what I do. This is what I do for a career. Like, I do this full time. 3 years now. So this stuff don't bother me. So when y'all see me doing stuff like this, man, just chill out, man. It's not cause I'm mad. It just, hopefully they come and they increase the engagement so y'all entertain them too. But I talk a lot because, like I said, man, the videos will be so boring. Somebody said, and I be getting a kick out of these. Man, quit talking so much to let the cars do the talking, something like that. And it was funny to me. But listen, a video will be so boring. Like I shot a video today. If I just walked around and showed y'all my cars and didn't say nothing, or I put music behind it, that shit'll be boring, man. It's boring as hell, man. Like, I'm not about to just sit right there and just show y'all the car and not explain what's going on. Or what if I showed y'all a motor? I just set the camera up and let y'all. Don't nobody want to look at that. Don't nobody want to look at content with no narration, no entertainment. You know, I talk to y'all so because it's like y'all right here with me. When I read no comments, if I'm in the garage at my house, it's like y'all right here in the garage. I try to make y'all feel like y'all a part of the videos, you know, like I always have. Even when I'm over at the shop, like I'm at Joe Buddy Racing now, and we just talking, you know, I keep the camera running so y'all be right there, cause everybody don't know everything. Yeah, you got a lot of people on here that do know, y'all know car stuff, cause y'all come from, some people come from my main channel, which is J Malcolm 2004. Which, you know, that's why I do all my drag racing videos. I go all over different states. I film big rim racing. I film 4-second 8-mile cars, 3-second 8-mile cars, lights out, no guts, no glory. All the big racing events that y'all know. Middle Georgia. I go everywhere. Galat Motorsports Park. I'm in North Carolina, South Carolina, Alabama, every now and then, Florida. I go all over. So I say I'm a unique YouTuber because I'm a real car guy. I really know this stuff. Like my aunt taught me, I really race. I like big rims. So if you find in my channel because one of my big rim videos, don't get me wrong, stay around because you can learn something. It's more to it than just slapping rims on the car. Ain't nobody teaching nobody nothing. Each one teach one. That's why you need to start listening. For y'all that come through saying quit talking, you need to start listening. You know what I'm saying? You start listening, that's how you learn stuff. Because don't nobody know it all. Like some of y'all drop stuff in the comments. I might be talking too fast, which I do. I go back and look at a video like, man, I said that wrong. But when you editing a video, I'm like, man, I'm not about to go back and re-edit all that. Cause I know I got good people that watch and y'all gonna get it right in the comments. I don't get mad behind that stuff. I'm like, if you correct me, cause I know sometimes I be done messed up. Cause it's people in the comments learning. I appreciate people that do that. So that's why, you know, I do my video like I do them. Cause it's a lot of car people that don't teach them, man. They just showing y'all stuff. I'm trying to show you and teach you. You know, you want to perform on big rim, cause I know I got a lot of big rim people on my channel now. A lot of y'all subscribe, I appreciate y'all, but you're gonna see a lot of everything. And I'm not about just trying to throw out what's hot. That ain't me. That ain't me. You know, I upload what I really like. You know, I like to race, I like big rim stuff. All my channel not gonna be straight big wheel stuff. It ain't. It ain't gonna be big rim stuff all the time. It ain't gonna be Camaro stuff all the time. It ain't gonna be burnouts all the time, ride racing. I mix it up. But I like to do all that, cause one thing I learned, I've been doing YouTube 11 years consistently. Do not listen to people completely. I don't care what nobody say in your comments. And if you're trying to be a YouTuber or a creator, don't listen to what people say. You do what you want to do. Cause when you make a change, it's gonna make somebody else unhappy. No matter how good you might think it is. When you make a change, somebody else gonna be like, you should have not did that. So you do what you want to do. In the end, always be open to criticism though, long as it's respectful. Like I don't mind nobody criticizing me. Like I changed my music. I used to put a lot of cussing music on my video way back, man, when I first started YouTube. A lot of rap music. I love rap music, but I started thinking, and a lot of people gonna be like, well, you know, you get demonetized. Yeah, copyright stuff is hard and heavy now. But even before then, before they brought that into place, I started doing it. Before YouTube brought in copyright laws, I stopped putting cussing music in my video because somebody said, man, I look at these videos with my channels, man, and Jay, I ain't trying to be disrespectful, but think about changing it up. They said that in a respectful way, and I said, you know what? That's real, man. I can respect that. And I start using cussing music. That's why I don't put music in my video. I put an instrumental, but I don't put cussing music cause people look at these videos with their family, they sit down, they having holiday gatherings and stuff, and they look at my videos, so I respect that. The second thing, I know y'all see me putting a lot of people's channels in my video lately. These my people. I'm gonna keep doing it. That's how you supposed to do. You work as a unit, man. When you you know, yeah, I've been working at this thing for 11 years and all that, but when you get to a spot where, you know, you got people that's loyal to you and all that, or your family, and you see they working, then you help them out. So when I move around, if I throw somebody's channel out there, it's somebody cool with me or close to me, I might pull up on a lot of people, but I'm not about to shout everybody out, and I'm not gonna tell y'all, hey, go check this person out, and you know they ain't working, or it ain't nobody there to entertain y'all, offer y'all some value and all of that. That's what it is, you know. So that's why I'm throwing everybody's channels out there, man. I appreciate all y'all that's going to support my family, you know, support my family. Some of these people my blood family, some of them are not, but if I call a person fam, trust me, it means something. I call you bro all day. I be like, what's up, bro? What's up, brother? What up, man? This and that. But when I say fam, I mean it. I mean it. I don't throw that word around loosely like some people do. Some people, it's just a slang term. I don't never refer to somebody as fam if I don't look at them like that. And that's how I refer to those people to other people too. So, like y'all see, I say, hey, this is my little brother. Some of the people not my blood brother, but blood wouldn't make us no close and stuff. But that's why y'all seeing all the people's channels and stuff. And they kicking out some good content. They kicking out great content, man. Like I got notifications on for everybody's channel. Like I look at everybody's video that I shout out. So yeah, man, go support these people, man, and all of that. But what else do I need to talk about? Big Meech. Alright. Big Meech. A lot of people asking about Big Meech. Here's the deal. I'm just gonna throw numbers out there. I'm gonna keep it straightforward with y'all. I do a lot of budget stuff on this channel by choice. Not because I financially have to do that. I do it by choice because it's more relatable to people. Everybody can't pull out 10 or 20,000 and go dump in a car or in an engine alone. So I do budget friendly stuff, man. I'm not out here trying to compete with nobody. I don't care about none of that. I done outgrew that. That's how I used to be. I outgrew that, man. It's about having fun and all of that, all the trash talking. You know, you can trash talk and have fun, but when you get to the track and somebody trying to race you and your blood pressure start going up just cause they call you out, it ain't even fun no more. So that's just what it is. I do my stuff for fun. That's why SHOWTIMEs and all of that. But Big Meech, I'm doing Big Meech next year. It won't be done this year. I'm just keeping it real with y'all. Plans for this year, cause I'm dropping 2 whips. We doing the big rim box Chevy, which is about to have oil pressure. Then I'm gonna buy a G-body, either Monte Carlo SS or Regal or Malibu something. I'm gonna do a G-body with what I consider a mid-level small block, aluminum headed motor, forged bottom end, probably a hydraulic roller crank. Not crank. Hydraulic roller camshaft. Ain't gonna run solid roller, it still make decent power. Probably a nice 400 some horsepower naturally aspirated motor. Then we'll put a power at on top of it. I'm gonna do that for a G-body. But that's a mid-level build, but you know, it still can get, you can get to where you got $10,000–$12,000 in a car, you know, paying somebody. So that's a mid-level build. Then next year is when I'm gonna do big Meech. Starting January of next year, because that's gonna be the only thing I get. I'm not gonna buy another car, I'm not gonna do another project. It's gonna be straight big Meech. Cause you talking about A-arms, tubular A-arms. Hold on, we're gonna let that go off. I'll catch y'all in a minute after the compressor go off. Alright, I'm back. Had to let the compressor go off. But like I was saying, big Meech gonna be a very expensive build. You know, you talking between probably 20 grand minimum for just the motor. Just the motor alone, $20,000 to $30,000 just for the motor. And it's gonna be a big block and all that, but you talking about ain't nothing gonna be untouched. You know, the A-arms, the control arms, the ring gonna take, it's an 8.5 in it, we're probably gonna put a 9-inch in it. This brake, just everything, the whole nine, the chassis gonna be set up, it's gonna be set up to perform. We're gonna grudge race it, probably grudge race of the year. Then after that, then I show the combo and the cubic inches and all of that stuff, and then I'm gonna enjoy it. But it's gonna be a forced induction car. It won't be nitrous, it'll be a forced induction car. I still plan on being able to drive this car if I want to. I want to have the option to be able to drive this car, cause this is gonna be a car that's gonna stay in my family and all that. It's gonna be passed down. That's why I seen people make some comments about the X275 type motor. I was thinking about that. About the middle of last year. I was really thinking about doing that, but then I was like, if I set that car up like that and I get that drivetrain, somebody thought I was playing, man. Somebody made a comment like, am I serious? Like, yo, man, if I say it, I'm not on here just saying. I'm like, I know how much it costs to run X275 and the motor and all that. I know that, man. I film all this stuff. I got buddies that run that class. I got buddies that run street cars and this and that. I know how much it still costs. So if I said it, I was thinking about it. Like when I said cheapskate, we was about to put a small block 454 in cheapskate. This close. I went ahead and bought the Camaro and stuff though. But I thought about it. I said, man, if I set that car up like that, then you know, I'm thinking about the future. What's gonna happen? One of my girls gonna get the car. One of my girls gonna get that the box Chevy. One of them gonna get my wife Monte Carlo, and then the Camaro John Jones gonna stay in the family too, cause we already building memories with it. So I'm probably never gonna sell that car. And you know, they gonna go down to my girls, so I don't want nothing to where they can't use it. They like racing and stuff, but I don't want nothing where it just a purpose built, just all out race car. You know, they got the technology now, you can buy some stuff and it'll get down. So big Meech gonna be 1,000+ horsepower, but we're gonna do forced induction on it. It's gonna have all the bells and whistles. I'm not cutting no corners on it, this and that, so that's why I'm waiting the next year, cause that's gonna be the only car I'm filming as far as on this channel a build. You know, you might see some of my buddy stuff, keep stuff in and out, so but my car, that's gonna be what I'm filming for next year. What else? The Camaro is about finished in my mind. It's a few more things to do, but it's getting to that point where I say it's completed, cause I'm not gonna compete with anybody and all that. So it's about finished. The G-body gonna be my car that's in between. Run on big rims, take the big rims off, on and off. Box Chevy gonna stay on big rims. Camaro will never see big rims. Big Meech would not be a big rim car. It's gonna be big Meech. Got to get down dirty. That's it. So yeah, that's it, man. So you know, give a little bit of everything in the G-body. The G-body, I might try to bring some sponsors in on the G-body to show y'all some good products, some good companies you can use. I might try to bring some sponsors in on that car. So if y'all see this video now, I know y'all be watching, man, all these big companies. Some of them I really rock with, you know, some of them, you know, it is what it is. But if y'all see that video, get with me, cause when I get that G-body, it's gonna be go time. I mean, even if sponsors wanna come in, cool. If they don't, we'll get it out of pocket. It don't even matter. But yeah, that's it, man. I just want to do this video, talk to y'all, address all of that. Well, it ain't addressing nothing, it just explaining. But yeah, that's it, man. Y'all stay tuned in, and it's gonna be more to come. So I'm out.